Hebrews chapter 9 verse 27. Just as people are deceived to the ones and after that to face judgment. Revelation chapter 3 verse 20. Here I am.
I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hear my voice and open the door, I will come in and eat with that person and they with me. Amen, amen, amen.